Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to my channel, Simply Small Engine Repair. I have a great video for you guys today. In today's video, what we're going to be looking at is the cheapest bench grinder you can find at the Harbor Freight. I'm going to be sharpening a lawnmower blade with it, and we're going to get this thing pretty sharp. We're going to try our best with the cheapest. We're testing it out. We're testing out the cheapest Harbor Freight bench grinder you can get at the freight. So stay tuned. Let me know what you guys think. I'm also going to be trying out a new intro here. And if you stay tuned at the very end of the video, I have a mail call for you. A few buddies of mine from different YouTube channels sent me some more stickers to make magnets out of. So we're going to be opening those, showing you guys those. So buckle up, stay tuned. Let's roll that intro and get into sharpening this blade. Okay guys, here we go. This is the cheapest bench grinder I could find at the Harbor Freight. I think it was like $29.99. 5-inch bench grinder, 120 volts, 60 hertz, half-inch absorb, 3,450 RPMs. Comes with 2 discs, a coarse one and a finer one. And here's our blade we're sharpening. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it in, turn it on, get you on the tripod, and all that other good stuff, and then I'll show you how I use it. Look at that, it's still spinning pretty good. It's not bolted down or nothing, doesn't matter. This one actually comes with guards too. I don't like them, so I didn't use them. No light or nothing. But yeah, let me put on some safety glasses and get to grinding. Okay guys, plugged in, safety glasses on. Here's our blade we're going to be sharpening. As you can see, it's rusty and dull. It's just an old blade. Customer would like a sharpening, and I said, you know what, I'll do it for free. Perfect chance to make a video. So all we're going to do is turn it on. One con to this is it's 1 speed on or off. And then you're going to just start, take the blade. Make passes as you go. So far, so good. It's coming along pretty good. Now once I got that side done, we're going to test out the other side. And I'm going to use the smoother side now. Look at that. Damn, that's coming along really good. I'm going to hit it just on this side just to put a quick little bit of angle. Nothing too drastic. Just that. That's all we're going to do. Now we're going to go another 1 pass or 2 passes to finish that side off. There we go. And as you can see, it has a little bit right here, just to deburr a bit. Now turned off, as you see, it's still spinning. We're going to do the other side too together. But I just want to say, there's before, there's after. I think a customer will be very happy with that. Normally I don't do this, but I wanted to test out this, buy this, so I might start doing it, you know, $20 a blade, $15 a blade, you know, or just throw it in with my tune-up. So let's get to the other side. Same concept. think 1 or 2 more passes should do it. There we go, guys. Now you can clean up this too a bit. Probably should use a wire wheel. That way it can, you know, get a little bit of that rust and dirt off. But check that out, guys. That's a nice, clean, really sharp edge there. And you could almost just, yeah! Damn! Hey, for $30, $40, I don't remember, 35, 30, 40, something like that. Getting a lawnmower sharpening per blade, you know, make 15, 20 bucks a blade. I mean, this thing pays for itself in 2 or 3 blades. I'm actually pretty impressed with this Central Machine bench grinder. I know there's better ones out there, but that's that. That's a really good one. Thank you guys so much for watching that video. So without further ado, I got a little bit of mail call here. Got my handy dandy letter opener. We're gonna start off with who this is here. Oh boy, Scott's Garage Tool Rescue. We put these up here. Bam, look at that. Sent me 2 of them. I like that. That's going to be easy to cut when I put them on the magnet. We'll trash your envelope. Hey, thanks for the card as well. I appreciate that. Thanks for the support, Scott. Next, we got Tom Doby. Tom Doby stickers are a little small. He sent me a business card. It has some personal information. I don't know if it's all public or not, so I'm not going to show the business card, but I appreciate you, Tom. And here's his stickers right here. Those are going to be easy to cut out for magnets too. I like that. There's that. Thank you, Tom Doby. Always appreciate some stickers coming in. Next up, we got one from Royal Mail. I'm pretty sure this is Mixed Mowers. Oh yeah, it says it on the back. Letter opener. Here we go. Mixed Mowers. I know Tom Doby, Mixed Mowers, they have channels down below, so I'll link them. Seems, it looks like one of his either older stickers or newer stickers, but thank you, Mick. I appreciate that. This is a vinyl more than a sticker, so that's pretty cool. I appreciate that, Mick. Again, thank you. And next we got Rusty Rooster. Finally got his in. Letter opener. Slice that bad boy right open. And there it is, Rusty Rooster. 4 more stickers to make magnets out of. I appreciate all you guys. Rusty Rooster also has a channel. He'll be listed down below. So as always, guys, thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button to help me out. Hit that like button. I really appreciate it. And as always, you guys have a good day.